Alright guys, hey guys. Today I'm well, as you can see, I've already put this metal piece in, but I went to any car part store like Advance, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, anybody would have this hose for the regular car. So I just cut the ends off of it and connected one end to the metal pipe and the other end to the metal pipe, and connected the upper part. And next I'm going to put the two sensors right here. So that's what I'm getting ready to do next. So stay tuned. Alright guys and gals, the bolts here for the throttle and the idle air control I got off of late model registration, and that's where I got this metal hose too. So now, oh, and this other stuff, this power steering hose, the idle air, and the throttle position I got off of Rock Auto. So now let's get them put on. Alright guys and gals, I've already had a setback. One of the bolts broke for the idle air control. So now I gotta figure out how to get that out or get a whole new throttle body. So that's it for that. So now I'm going to move over here to power steering pump and put on the power steering hose I got. So let's get to that. Alright guys, as you can see that the power steering hose is not on. I'm running out of a little daylight here, so I'll get it put on maybe tomorrow and we'll see. So talk to you later then. Alright, hey guys and gals, I'm back. Let's try to get this power steering pump on, or power steering line on this time. That goes from here down to the power steering. And I'm going to have to change some more hoses I just seen. So let's get to it and I'll show you. Yeah, I don't know if you can see how rusty all these lines are. See, every one of them I've got to replace every single line, but right now I'm just doing the pressure line. So let's get after it. Alright, I've got the two lines that I needed off, but I don't have these lines yet. But I don't want to take them off, but I've taken these off. So let's get this one on. Alright, as you can see, finally got the high pressure power steering line on, but it'll have to come off when I get the other lines and put them on. So it's on for now, so that's good, and see y'all next time.